we are backstage at the Poster Girl debut fashion show. It's a bit chaotic back here, but we're in the hair and makeup area and everyone's just getting ready for the show. This week's video takes a look behind the scenes at Poster Girl's debut fashion show. I really love working with the girls, and I love how they use makeup as part of their storytelling. For the show, it was nice to find a kind of makeup look that could bring everybody together, because the casting was so diverse. It was really nice to just have this one bold statement that kind of unified everyone. Is one of the looks that we're creating. So all of the models have a variant on this eye colour. So some are kind of a hot pink, this is like a lilac-y blue, some have a really nice deep brown, and then we've got some khakis as well. So this is like kind of the uniform makeup, and we're just going to be changing the colour according to the model. The eye look was created using grease-based products, so we used lipsticks, we used cream shadows, and we used Supra colours so that they were really pigmented and had a little bit of shine to them. We kind of arrived at the makeup look quite organically. We wanted to create something that would cut against the kind of curvy sexiness of the outfits and to create something that felt really bold. So doing one block colour across the lid seemed like the right thing to do. The show is actually staged at a demolition site in central London, and the location worked really well because it really contrasted with the perfectly bright neon colours, the silvers, the metals, and the kind of mesh fabrics that the girls use. So having this very kind of concretey, rubbly environment just helped to enhance the collection. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you guys next week.